this lesson, we're going to learn how to use a pictograph. Let's look at our question. Areas that are part of the National Park System are good places to vacation and to learn about plants and animals. The pictograph shows the number of national park areas some states have. How many does Florida have? Well, in order to figure this out, we need to know what does each tree represent. Can you see that in our key? We can see our key right here and see that each tree represents 2 national park areas. So let's write that here, 2 national park areas. How many trees are shown for Florida? Well, let's look up here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 whole trees and a half of a tree. So we have 5½ trees. That's interesting. I wonder what this half a tree would be. Well, let's look down here at this math idea. Half of the picture has half of the value of the whole picture. So since a whole tree is 2 park areas, a half of a tree must mean 1 park area. Now, a symbol in a pictograph can stand for more than one. To find the number of national park areas in Florida, count each tree as 2 parks. So the first tree is 2 parks, and the second tree is 4 parks, and so on. And then we'll add 1 more park when we get to the half of the tree. So let's look. We have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. When we count these trees, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And then we're going to add our 1 extra tree that's shown by the half of a picture. And so that gives us a total of 11 trees. So there are a value of 11 parks. So there are 11 national park areas in Florida. Now let's look at these 2 questions down here. Which state listed in the pictograph has the most national park areas? You're right, that would be Georgia. We know that because it has the most trees beside its name. How many park areas does it have? Well, I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 whole trees. So let's count each tree and we'll count by 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. It must have 14 park areas. Now you're going to have a chance to practice using a pictograph. If you need to come back and view this video, it'll be here waiting for you.